Hey there digital folks, today we are back again. We are going to talk about how you can create an online module course and actually start selling it online. Did you know that online courses have really gone viral in the past 3-4 years? And today more and more people are actually joining online courses. Today I'm going to tell you some interesting stats. By 2028, this whole e-learning platform is triggered to grow at 1 trillion. Isn't that so great and so amazing? So if you are a person who really wants to go ahead and create an online course and you have some kind of a knowledge in your domain, possibly this is just the right time to launch your course. But wait, how does it happen? It's not that easy. It takes a lot of time, lot of research, and also it requires scripting, possibly videos. But I have put this whole together, and today I'm going to talk about the various steps on how you can make it very easy, simplified, and possibly have your course rolling within week 10 days. So let's dive straight into my step 1, and that is about researching. Nothing goes without researching. You have to research. What is the competition all about? So if I was to launch a course, possibly in digital marketing, I would see thousands or maybe even lakhs of people already who have created courses on YouTube for free. How do I create my niche? How do I create my USP? How do I stand away from this clutter is what matters. So research well so that you have a very interesting header and people can actually click onto the header and move ahead and start seeing your course from there. That also brings me to my second step, which is possibly the most important thing, and that is about what is the problem I am solving. My viewers are only interested if I'm able to give them solutions. Nobody is interested about seeing something which is already available. So try to twist your whole content in such a way that it solves some problem and it is coming out with something which is very unique. An example in this case would be possibly the new course which we are launching soon is about digital identity. It's just an example of how so many people are online, but nobody really knows what are the digital imprints they are leaving and what is a digital identity. This is catered mostly for the students, for the entrepreneurs, and even possibly for the corporate level people. So this is the target audience who really need to see what is a digital imprint they're leaving. So come up with something unique, some USP, so that you just stand out from the clutter. That brings me to my step 3, which is about scripting. Nothing can go till you have scripted. And yes, there are tools available. ChatGPT is possibly the most easily available tool where you can go ahead and create short courses, long courses, simple courses, courses which has a twist, and you can further even put it into the kind of words. So I can give you an example. I can go to ChatGPT and say, create a digital marketing course which has got 8 modules and possibly even subdivide the chapters for me. It will create this whole modules for me. Further, I can also give it a command. If there is a header on social media marketing, what are the headers it should be having as an index? And voila, this is what I have. I can further even give it a command that put this course together in 2000 words and see how nice this is coming out and neatly. I can further even make it more conversational instead of making it like a monologue. Make this content very conversational. So they can also create a content which is conversational. You can even make it funny, witty, engaging, whatever you want. And that is the beauty of ChatGPT. So here I have is a script for my course. So if you have not done this, this is a very critical step. Go ahead and create the skeleton or rather the outline of the course. Now that brings me to my next step, and that is about the video. Now, nothing is possible. There are people who are creating PDF notes. There are people creating white paper. There are also people who are creating e-learning. But possibly the most important thing and the most popular thing today is video. Go ahead and possibly just make a small investment of a good smartphone, of a good tripod stand, and go ahead and shoot yourself so that your videos are created of different modules. If you're one of those people who are shy to come in front of the camera, that's perfectly okay. You can just create a screen thing and possibly give it a voiceover. Many people are doing it that way as well. Once the scripting is done and once you have utilized the scripting in your videos, you can also have a very interesting look, which is about having your own picture embedded of a speaking person in the video. This is very popular and it is doing very well. Most of the people today want to see you on the face or even the person who's speaking and how it comes out like a live classroom session once you are running the course. Now the video is done. Let's move on to my next step, and my next step is where do I host it? Now hosting is very typical because there are a lot of LMS platforms available, which is your learning management system. Possibly the most popular ones today are Graphy, you have Gumroad, and you can even host it on Udemy. So just take your call where you want to go. There are paid platforms, there are free platforms, there are platforms which even take 10% of the whole course learning, which is in Gumroad. So go ahead and try, and you can actually start uploading your thing over there. But is it that easy? How do I go about it? Because these are just the hosts. They have created some amazing things within the whole system, wherein you can have quizzes, you can also have interactions, you can see analytics about the number of people who are buying your course. They have an integrated payment system, and it helps to kind of integrate the whole LMS platform into one. Now I move on to my next step, and that is the sales. Nothing will happen if my course is not selling. How do I do this? For that, possibly I would create a landing page. So in my case, if you can see, this is my website, digitalruhi.com. It has a landing page. There will be a call to action, and there is a clickable thing on the website. When you go over there, they click, and people are from there taken on to the link of your LMS platform. This helps to integrate your website and the LMS platform, and obviously the sales are moving. But yes, sales will not come till your website is not visible, and for that possibly you need to invest in your Google ads, Facebook ads, Insta ads, LinkedIn ads, whatever you're comfortable with and the kind of budgets you want to do. If you really want to go organic, then possibly the only way to go about this is start being very consistent on social media and coming up to a level which is more of an influencer level. That is the way people will trust you, people will come out and start subscribing and coming on and buying your course. So this is how I have integrated all the steps together so that you can go about and create an online course and you can launch it. So all the best, and if you really like this channel and you want to subscribe, go ahead and do this, as we are coming out with more videos in this series where we'll be talking about how to create more online courses and go about creating an online coaching as well.